Everybody. This week, our book is called Mars. Everyone has the same reader this week. So, what you're going to do is you're going to read through it and find out all this information. You can either read it to yourself or have it listen to it, preferably reading it, but you could always do both just to make sure. Or if there's a word you don't know. Okay. So make sure you're reading all of the pictures and getting all of this information. As always, there are 4 chapters, so I'm just going to scroll through really quick. And at the end of the 4 chapters, there is the respond to reading. To respond to reading, you will click on this little right here. And as you can see, I already wrote something on here earlier, so you can still see it because I hit the submit button. How I would like you to answer it is to have that 1. It can be a 1 dot, it can be a 1 with a parenthesis, it could be a 1. And then you just write your answer. Then you hit the submit button and it will automatically go to your teacher. There's nothing to hit here that says save or anything. If you have any questions, please let your teacher know. Okay, I hope you have a good one.